Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping your workspace and the parts. This saves time. First, power off the headset and remove the ear cushion by gently pulling at the seam to expose the cup. Once done, use a T5 or T6 screwdriver to remove the 3 hidden screws under the foam. Place them in a small tray so none roll away. Make sure to note screw positions because reassembly depends on correct orientation. Now you have direct access to the hinge internals and wiring. You next focus on freeing the hinge without damaging cables. Gently disconnect the flat flex cable and antenna wire using a spudger because tugging can break contacts. After that, remove the hinge mount screws while keeping washers and spacers in order. Photograph the stack if needed. Once free, lift the old hinge straight out and compare it to the replacement to confirm alignment and hole positions. If the new hinge matches, you're ready to transfer any small parts and begin reassembly. You install the replacement hinge by reversing removal. Position spacers and hand start the screws so threads align before tightening fully to avoid stripping. Once mounted, reconnect the flat flex cable and antenna. Make sure no wires are pinched and connectors fully seat. After reattaching the ear cushion, power on the headphones and test hinge movement and audio. If you hear crackling or one side is dead, reseat the flex cable and check screw torque. Improper seating causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.